Step inside a world where luxury meets simplicity, where compact living transforms into a masterpiece of design. Welcome to the Tiny House Mansion, a vision of elegance redefined in minimal space. This journey reveals how sophistication, comfort, and grandeur thrive within compact dimensions. Stay with us, and don't forget to subscribe for more breathtaking explorations of homes that inspire. Welcome to Creative Abode. We explore unique architecture, innovative interiors, and inspiring living spaces. Whether transforming your home or discovering design trends, you're in the right place. Let's create stylish, comfortable, and creative spaces together. The first impression is everything, and this tiny house mansion knows how to captivate. Its front facade blends glass, wood, and matte black accents, radiating modern minimalism with timeless elegance. Large windows invite natural light while warm illumination enhances its welcoming glow at dusk. Though compact in footprint, every line and detail conveys prestige and refinement. This is not just a home, it is a statement of how grandeur can flourish within limited space. Crossing the threshold, the living room greets you with an aura of sophistication. High ceilings and expansive windows dissolve the boundary between indoor and outdoor, creating an illusion of openness. Sleek furniture, soft textures, and carefully layered lighting offer comfort without compromise. Every detail, from the polished wood floors to the subtle metallic accents, has been curated to deliver an atmosphere of refined luxury in a surprisingly intimate space. The master bedroom is a sanctuary of serenity. A king-sized bed rests against a minimalist backdrop, dressed in rich fabrics that exude comfort and class. Floor-to-ceiling glass frames the surrounding landscape, turning nature into a living artwork. Contrasting tones of black, beige, and gold create an ambience of understated opulence. It is a space where tranquility and indulgence unite, reminding us that compact living can still embrace the essence of luxury. Within this mansion's compact design lies a kitchen that redefines culinary elegance. Marble countertops gleam against matte black cabinetry, accented with golden details that whisper sophistication. Modern appliances are seamlessly integrated, maintaining a clean, uncluttered aesthetic. Warm pendant lights illuminate the workspace, while clever design ensures both beauty and functionality. This is not just a kitchen, it is an atelier of taste, where style and practicality coexist in perfect harmony. Above the living room, the mezzanine offers a vantage point of intimacy and charm. Glass railings preserve openness, while wooden flooring adds warmth to the elevated retreat. Designed as a reading nook or quiet corner, it reflects the ingenuity of compact luxury. Shelves of books, soft lighting, and a view over the living area create a space that is both connected and private. Here, every square meter is transformed into an experience of elegance. Stepping into the bathroom, one discovers the pinnacle of compact luxury. Marble walls gleam beneath soft lighting, while a freestanding tub and rainfall shower exude indulgence. Black and gold fixtures offer a striking contrast, creating a space that feels both dramatic and serene. Every element has been carefully chosen to maximize comfort in minimal space. This bathroom proves that refinement knows no bounds, even in the smallest of rooms. Beyond the front door, the landscaped front yard extends a warm invitation. Modern stone pathways weave through manicured greenery, while subtle garden lighting highlights the home's striking architecture. An intimate outdoor seating area adds charm, perfect for evening reflections. Though compact, the design balances elegance with nature, proving that outdoor beauty need not be vast to feel grand. Every detail enhances the mansion's presence, making the approach as memorable as the entry. Ascending to the rooftop reveals a sanctuary above the world. A wooden deck stretches beneath the open sky, lined with modern lounge chairs and softly glowing lights. Whether basking in daylight or stargazing at night, the rooftop extends the mansion's luxury beyond its walls. It is a private haven designed for relaxation, where compact space blossoms into limitless experience. Here, luxury rises to new heights, uniting intimacy with grandeur. In today's world, a working room is essential, and this tiny house mansion delivers with style. A sleek wooden desk faces a broad window, filling the space with natural light. Matte black shelving and golden accents lend professional elegance, while warm lighting fosters focus and calm. Despite its compact size, the room exudes authority and sophistication, transforming productivity into an art form. It is proof that even workspaces can inspire. The journey concludes in the backyard, a hidden jewel of compact luxury. A wooden deck opens to an intimate dining area, accompanied by a shimmering pool reflecting soft evening lights. Lush greenery frames the scene, offering serenity and seclusion. Every corner has been designed to balance elegance with comfort, creating a private oasis where small space lives large. It is here, in the backyard, that the mansion's promise of refined living fully blooms. The tiny house mansion is more than a home, it is a philosophy of living grandly within compact boundaries. Every room, every detail, demonstrates that luxury does not depend on size, but on vision and design. If you've enjoyed this journey, subscribe for more explorations of extraordinary spaces that redefine the art of living.